You want to create a still life, so the first thing you do is set up the objects and then you start drawing. Unfortunately, it is sometimes hard to estimate how large or small to draw the objects, or where to place the objects on your paper. What often happens is kids tend to draw the objects too small, so they appear way too tiny on the paper. Sometimes, people start drawing too large and the objects are so big that you run out of room and cannot fit them all in. A way to avoid these problems is to use a view catcher. A view catcher allows you to focus only on the objects you want to draw. It's easy. Take the view catcher and set it to the size of the paper you are using. Then you start to frame the picture. Move the view catcher back and forth until you get exactly the composition you want. By moving it back and forth, you can adjust the composition so the objects are close to the edges of your paper and you block out everything you don't want to have in your drawing. By using the view catcher, you can figure out where to place the objects on the page. Notice that the handle of the teapot lid is near the top center of the picture frame, so draw it at the top center of your paper. The pear standing up is the closest object to the bottom of the picture frame, and it is just a little left of center. Notice how the pear lying on its side is very close to the lower left edge of the picture frame? And see how the white cup takes up 1/3 of the space on the right edge of the picture frame? Do you see the back edge of the table? It meets the left side of the picture frame a little below the halfway point, while that same table edge is much higher where it meets the right side of the picture frame, about 3/4 of the way up that side. By noticing where objects are in the picture frame of your view catcher, you can draw a very realistic still life. So, in conclusion, use your view catcher to help you plan where to place the objects on your paper and to fill the space